morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Tuesday morning here in Australia. Time is 9 a.m. I just got up, made myself a cup of tea. So today I want to talk about Gua Sha. You have heard me talking about skincare products all the time. So today I just wanted to talk about something different. So I'm making this video because I went out for a coffee with one of my friend, and the first question she asked me was what I have done to my cheeks, and she thought I have gotten some fillers in my cheeks, and I was like, what made you think that? And she was like, your cheeks are really lifted. I'm like, I'm actually really broke and I have no money for fillers and I have not done any fillers at all. And then yesterday I got up and my husband asked the same thing. He was like, what have you done to your cheeks? Whatever you're doing is working because your cheeks are really lifted. So that's what prompted me to make this video, because all I have been doing is I have been doing the Gua Sha massage. Gua Sha massage, you must have heard about Gua Sha. Gua Sha is a really old Chinese massage technique which is basically used to relieve the muscle tension, to relax the muscles, to alleviate any kind of like back pain or neck pain, and to improve the blood flow, to let the lymph flow. So Gua Sha has got a lot of benefits. One of my friend, she was doing Gua Sha and she told me, why don't I try Gua Sha? So since then I have been doing a Gua Sha massage pretty much I think 3 to 4 times a week, and if my cheeks look lifted, there are no fillers. I can assure you that I'm like literally broke at the moment. I have got no money. So I got this cheek lift by doing Gua Sha. So if I can show you from here, if you look at my cheekbone, that's where my cheekbone is. Yeah, so you can see my cheekbone is really lifted, and that's where my cheekbone is, and it's pretty close to my eyes, and anatomically my cheekbone can't go any further than my eyes. So that's where my cheekbone is sitting, very high. And if you want to see on the other side, so that's where my cheekbone is. So you can see it's quite lifted and it's quite high. So if you want to have this lift, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on fillers. You can do it with Gua Sha, and that's what I'm gonna show it to you today. So if you are ready, keep on watching. So those of you who are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Anna. I am a cosmetic nurse. Yes, I went to uni and I have learned everything about skincare products and skin treatments. I am fully licensed to perform any kind of laser treatment. So I work on Instagram full time as a skincare influencer, and I usually make videos about skincare, some videos about health and fitness. And if you want to learn my tips, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon and you will never miss out on another video. So okay, I have got my headband on and I'm gonna show you my Gua Sha stone. So I got my Gua Sha stone from Bare Roots. It's an Australian company, and if you can see, so this comes in a really beautiful white packaging. And that's how the inside of the packaging looks like. So this is the pink stone I have been using to do my Gua Sha. And you always need an oil which is quite slippery, and it's easy for the stone to glide on your face. So I have been using this oil from C Skincare. I mean, you can use really any oil. I have been using this because I won this oil in one of my giveaways and this is a pretty good oil. So I'm gonna use this oil. You have to use quite a generous amount so the stone can glide easily on your face. And let's get started. I just would like to mention there will be a lot of people who are more qualified than me and who use different Gua Sha techniques. By no means that I'm right and they are wrong, or they are right and I'm wrong. I'm just gonna show you what I have been doing and what has been working for me. So let's start. So I'm gonna put generous amount of oil on my face because we gotta make sure that stone glides. Okay, let's do it. I know you guys are really busy and I don't want to keep you guys for too long over here, and let's start. So basically the rule of thumb is when you do Gua Sha, you have to follow the directions where your lymph flows. So the lymph vessels flow this way, okay? So all you're trying to do is you're moving the lymph out of your face, and that's how it reduces the puffiness. It makes your skin brighter because the lymph flows this way, and then the body can get rid of it, and then your blood circulation improves, and the blood brings more nutrients and more oxygen to your skin, and that's how your skin looks nice and bright and glowing, plus your facial muscles look really lifted. It's basically the same thing. You go to gym and you work out and your muscles look really tight, and it's basically the gym for the face. And if you do the gym for the face with this Gua Sha, your facial muscles are gonna be really tight and really lifted. So that's how I do it. I keep this stone flat on my skin. You are not supposed to do this. It also always have to stay at 35 to 40 degree angles, and all you gotta do is go like this. And they say do 10 strokes. I'm a little bit greedy, I do 12. So this is for the upper face, okay? And then you have to repeat the same for the lower face. I usually start from the chin. So you go from here and 1 stroke, 2nd stroke, 3. Sometimes if you forget and your stone is like this, just remind yourself that the stone has to sit at 35 to 40 degree angle. So like this. So you keep doing until you have done 12 strokes. So 12 over here and 12 over here. So you can do that on both sides. And for forehead, you have to follow. So forehead, I do say 1, 2, 3, 4. And like I do 12 on this side, and then I do 12 on this side, and when I have finished with this, I also go 12 like this. You don't have to put too much pressure, just a gentle pressure is enough. So when you have done both cheeks, upper and lower, on both sides, and then you have done the forehead, the third step I do is instead of using this bit, I just go with the stone like this. So by looking at how the stone works, you can already tell how much facial muscles are gonna be toned by doing this. Watch this. Look at those facial muscles. Look at those cheek muscles getting toned. So that's about it. So this is how I do my Gua Sha, and once I finish doing this, sometimes not always, it depends upon how much time I have, then I use my jade roller as well, and I just follow the same direction, because you got to follow the direction which way your lymph flows, and lymph vessels flows this way. So you gently do this. And you can use the small side, and you can do your eye area, because eye area is really the skin around the eye is like really thin, so you gotta be gentle around those areas, and you can do your lips. So that's what basically I have been doing, and it has given me really high and lifted cheeks. Thank God I didn't have to spend $600 to $700 on getting fillers, because honestly I don't have fillers. Sorry, I don't have money. So that's what basically I have been doing. So your skin gets quite oily because you have to use a generous amount of oil. For us here in Australia, it's winter, so it's perfectly fine with me. I'll just rub the remaining oil into my face and I'll just go to sleep, because I usually do my Gua Sha in the afternoon. But if you are living in a place where the weather is hot and humid, I will just say you can take off the oil, or you can even wash your face if you want, and apply the rest of your skincare. And that's about it for today's video. I just really wanted to show you this tutorial because yeah, my husband said my cheeks are really lifted, and my best friend said my cheeks are really lifted. So yeah, I just thought like I will show you guys how I got my cheeks lifted. And I don't think so these jade stones, Gua Sha stones, are that expensive. You can buy it from anywhere. And if you want to get fillers and you want to lift your cheeks with the fillers, that's gonna cost you thousands. So yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Leave your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion is really important for me to improve my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.